Hello and welcome to Virtual Sunday School! How's your week been? I had a pretty good week, thanks for asking. This week we're going to look at the story of when Jesus turned water into wine. So we'll look at the Bible story, we set Ollie and Jordan a challenge, and we've got a challenge for you guys at home. We've got a prayer and then we'll finish with a final thought. So grab your drink and a biscuit and let's do this. It's like a white Oreo. It's like an albino Oreo, like me. I'm 70% albino, bet you didn't know that.
Why not tune in to Virtual Sunday School?
Today's story can be found in John chapter 2 verses 1 to 12. It's another special one because this is the story of Jesus' first public miracle. So, Jesus was at a wedding with his mum and some disciples in a place called Cana. They were having a jolly old time when suddenly Mary saw that they'd run out of wine. Oh, no wine! Ah, Jesus! She said, we've run out of wine! And Jesus was like, Mum, why are you telling me? It's not my time to show who I am yet. But Mary told the servants to do whatever Jesus told them to do. So nearby, there were 6 big water jars, and they each held about 20 to 30 gallons. Jesus told the servants to fill them with water. Then he told them to draw a drink out of it and take it to their master. So they did, and the master of the banquet tasted it, and his eyes lit up. The jars had been filled with water, but somewhere along the way, Jesus had miraculously turned the water into wine. Then, not knowing what Jesus had done, the master of the banquet said to the married couple, normally you give the best wine first, but you have saved the best wine until now. So not only did Jesus turn water into wine, he turned it into really tasty wine. Now this was the first of Jesus' signs that showed who he was, and his disciples believed in him. This story is really important in Jesus' life because it's the first time that he revealed his glory so that other people knew who he was. Now for some of the people there, it might have just been another wedding, but one with really nice wine. But for those paying attention, for Jesus' disciples, it showed what kind of amazing things Jesus can do, and they believed in him. Now normally you have the best wine at the start of a wedding, and then as the night goes on, when people aren't as bothered, then you bring out the cheap wine. Well, in today's story, when people tried out the wine that Jesus had made, they were surprised that they'd saved the best wine until last. Talk about an unexpected drink. Speaking of unexpected drinks, this week we set Ollie and Jordan a little challenge.
This looks very,
Yeah.
nice.
No, nice. Nice is not
Nice. Ollie and Jordan, please, the pleasure is yours.
Ollie and Jordan.
Yes.
I heard you were thirsty. So I put out some drinks for you, but that's so kind. That was so kind of you. However, to be creative, I thought I would mix things up a bit. In turns, you must take a drink from a glass and try to identify what 2 drinks have been combined. Enjoy.
Oh, man.
P.S.
Yeah.
One of them bad boys has 3 drinks combined.
Oh.
All right, I'm going for this one.
You're going straight in.
Well, this
you
one
go
looks
first.
the least sick.
What's it smell like?
I am brew.
Iron brew and
Apple juice?
this will tell. Do you
Go
want?
on. No, you do it.
Shall I reveal yours? Shall I reveal?
Iron brew and apple juice.
This is iron brew and energy drink.
Oh,
Apparently, we don't have energy. The milk one.
No, don't.
I think we should leave that.
I'm not even drinking.
This looks like dirty swamp water. This looks quite fruity, to be honest.
It does look fruity.
That is
Yes.
orange juice and...
Orange juice? Look at the colour of it.
It's orange! That's orange!
If your orange juice looks like that at home, do not drink it.
Not a clue.
Tropical and lemonade.
Ah, fair enough.
This one doesn't look fizzy, so I'm going to go for this.
Mine didn't look fizzy though.
Oh!
That has got one of my favourite in.
It's got to be orange juice.
Go for it.
I recognise the taste.
It's good for keeping vampires away.
Garlic.
I think I got them confused.
Orange juice and what?
Orange juice and ginger beer.
Ah, yeah.
Is vampires ginger?
No, it's
Did
garlic.
I get that wrong? Yeah. That looks like swamp water to...
Why would you? What?
It smells alright, to be fair.
Go on then.
It's got to have Coke in it. It's got like roller cola or something.
Roller cola.
Coke and apple juice.
Oh, you're close.
Was it orange juice?
Orange juice.
Ah, nearly
You're
went
so
orange.
close.
Oh man!
So close.
Oh, you going for that one?
You did a Coke one. I'll do it.
Straight in.
Like Coke and water?
No. It's Coke and ginger beer again. That's what Robert
tastes
like.
ginger.
Yeah.
I'm just immune to ginger.
I'm gonna take one for the team. I'm gonna go in for this bad boy.
Well,
Whatever that is. It has.
thank you. 'Cause I was not going to drink that.
Shall I get a spoon and give it?
That is so grim.
It's fully curdled. It's fully. Look at that! Look, it's got nice little lumps and clumps in there. Oh, it looks like cottage cheese.
Why would you choose that?
Is this 3 or is this 2?
I'm not going to say, am I?
Reminds me of being ill. It tastes of medicine.
Oh,
It's
that's
disgusting.
grim.
That is foul. That is milk.
You chose it.
That is milk. That is energy drink. It's just milk and energy drink.
Yay!
Yay! Do you want to try it?
No, I will take the other milk one though.
You're gonna go for the other milk one. What do you think?
Well, now I'm like paranoid that they've all got ginger beer and I just can't taste ginger beer. That is a very strange experience.
Is it?
There's something a little bit fizzy in there.
Okay.
Oh, do not mix.
So it's fizzy. So it's fizzy milk.
Milk and lemonade.
Milk and lemonade.
Milk and lemonade.
Let's have a look. It is milk and Fanta.
Milk and Fanta?
Apparently, milk and Fanta. Oh. Oh.
This is, yeah. To be fair, I'll be honest with you. I thought that was the 3 one, so I ignored it.
Do you want to smell it?
Oh, that is really nasty.
I've got a feeling it's vinegar. Oh, that stinks.
Oh.
Surprisingly, that actually tastes nuts.
I wasn't expecting that reaction.
Oh no.
I'm just seeing what's in there as well.
An energy drink, apple juice and vinegar.
That is so grim.
Oh, what is
You're
it?
right, you're right on the vinegar.
Vinegar. Worcester sauce and lemonade. Oh man.
Oh, that is so grim.
I won, didn't I?
You did win. We got one right.
I got milk and energy drink.
You did well. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Come on.
Cheers.
Magic! Hi, Beth.
Hi, Rob.
So, Jesus did some incredible miracles and they were very impressive. Now, I might not be able to be quite as impressive with miracles as Jesus was. So I have to find different ways of trying to be impressive. And one of the ways I can do that is through magic. I'm going to teach you a magic trick.
Yes, I'm
Okay.
excited.
Because magic can be quite impressive sometimes, okay? So let's say if we take this card there, all right, there's a 10 of clubs, you got that? Right, so 10 of clubs, put your hand on top of it.
Yeah.
Don't let me get it, whatever you do,
Nope,
okay?
it's not for you.
Okay, it's not for me. I'm gonna take my card instead,
Yeah.
all right? And I'm gonna steal your 10 of clubs, ready? Whoosh!
I protected it very well.
Did you protect it well enough?
I protected it really well.
I think you're joking. I think you're joking, mate.
No, you
must
did not
be
steal it from under my...
10 of clubs.
What? No,
And
this
you
is...
are joking, mate. I'm going to teach you a magic trick, okay?
Okay.
Grab a card.
This one.
That one?
Yep.
You got it? Okay, don't let me see. Show it to the camera. Don't let me see.
Nope.
And then I would like you to say when.
When?
Just there? So pop it in there. This is the trick I'm going to show you how to do, and you as well, okay? You're going to be trying it. So, you put it in there, that's where we'll put it in the deck.
Yep.
I'll close the deck up like that. So we've lost it in the middle of the deck, where you wanted it to go, right? And now, I will reveal what your card was. Was your card 2 of spades?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the easiest trick in the book, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's easy.
Everyone can do it.
Everyone can do it.
Everyone can do it.
Even someone who shuffles as well as Beth. Nailed it. What you want to do is tell someone to pick a card. And genuinely, any card you want.
This one, please.
Okay, don't show me. It's important I don't see it. And then, same again. You can genuinely stop whenever you like. Say stop.
Stop.
Okay?
Yep.
Just there. And then what you want to do is get them to put it back in the deck where you said stop.
Yep.
And look at this card. This card here. It's the King of Hearts, okay? So you're going to remember, never mind their card, remember the King of Hearts and put the deck back together. Now, their card is just above the King of Hearts. So when you turn it back over and you splay out all the cards, you just need to look for that King of Hearts wherever he is. And once you found him, you know that the card on top of it is their card.
Oh!
Easy.
So because you know where the other card is,
Yeah.
you can find the... Okay.
Beth, your turn.
Yes. Would you like to see a magic trick?
I'd love to see a magic trick.
Wonderful. What I need you to do is pick a card, any card, totally up to you.
Pick any old card.
Any old card.
This.
Okay, don't show me. You might want to show the folks at home. Don't show me. Okay, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, and then put it on the top of there, please.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Ooh.
And now I am going to find your card.
Okay.
Might help throw it the other way around.
Other way around. There we go. Magic time.
Is it this one?
Yeah!
Yeah!
If even Beth can do this magic trick, then I'm sure you can as well.
You can too.
And you can be impressive. Not quite as impressive as Jesus turning water into wine. Try some magic. Whoosh.
Today, we're going to thank God that He sent Jesus and that Jesus did amazing miracles like the first one that we've learned about today. Dear God, thank you for sending Jesus so that we can have a relationship with you. And thank you for the many, many amazing miracles that Jesus did, including turning water into wine. Please help us to live lives that please you. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. And so, a final thought. From today's story, we can learn that Jesus is a God of miracles. He did all kinds of miracles that we can learn about all throughout the Gospels. And this one was pretty special because it was his first one. I hope you enjoyed another fun-filled episode of Virtual Sunday School. I certainly enjoyed Ollie and Jordan having to do that drinking challenge. And see if you can impress your friends with Rob's magic trick. Don't forget, we love hearing from you guys. So if you want to get in touch, ask your grown-ups to head over to our Facebook page or our Instagram account. Send us a picture, write us a message, whatever you want. We are visiting churches in person this year. So don't forget, if you'd like us to come along to your church, then drop us an email, vss@forefront-theatre.com. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye for now.
Why not tune in to Virtual Sunday School?